I just got a notification from Lexon.
Nice. That's what I like to hear, man. I like to hear that.
Yeah.
My legs are breaking because I keep sitting on them. I can't wait to rip my computer off the wall because I have a headset and I'm plugged into it. It's gonna be awesome. Ooh, 2 Discord notifications. I forgot I didn't solve this problem yesterday. I thought about this the whole time I was trying to sleep last night. How to solve this problem on this website, and I can't remember. I don't even remember if I remember the solution. Wait, I do remember a solution. You divide this by the longest one by however many the shortest one has. So 3, 6. 6 divided by this is 2, and you round it down. Wait, no, this is wrong. Return the largest string such that x divides into both of them. Oh, both of them. Oh, I could do some really weird logic here. I could do divide longer by shorter. Divide the longer one by the shorter one. For the length. Okay, so the length is 6 divided by 3, you get 2. If 2 equals shorter, then return that. Okay. And else, if it doesn't return, else if they are equal, return that. If they're not equal, then do the shorter one times itself. Ooh, this is easy. I just figured it out. Oh my god, I feel so smart. Hold on, let's see what I got cooking here. Good looking. I don't know what all this trash is here, all this rumble. Ooh. I'm about to restart. Screw it. I'm restarting. I don't understand all this nonsense that I have here. Don't mess with those. Actually, we could keep this. And we can say if. Actually, I deleted something I needed. Actually, screw it. I'm going to do a quick check. If 1 is not equal to 2, then we're going to do return none. Or return this. Can I do that? I don't know if that's a valid output. Let's see. Screw you. Return empty? How do I return an empty set? Can't I just... Wait, what? What did it tell me? Line 17? Missing? I don't think so, bro. That's for that and that's for that. Oh, missing return statement. Okay. We're gonna do return this. Let's see this. See if it works real quick. That should work. Okay, alright, it works. We're gonna do else if we need to determine which one's longer and which one's shorter. Alright, we're gonna do like this. If the one length is longer than or equal to, we're not gonna get equal to. Wait, what if they equal each other? We could do that too. This else if they is it equal or is it dot equals to dot equals either this equals to then return string 1 str1. Yeah. If one length is bigger than 2 length, then we're gonna do let's do and longer. We're gonna do this is what I was doing yesterday. Else if 2L is greater than 1L, we're gonna do longer equals 2L. It's gonna give me an error, I already know it. Yeah, we do just do it the normal way. It doesn't matter, same thing. Just 2 extra things. This can give me that error. Word, let's go. Alright. If they're not equal, the first 2 digits just return nothing. Now if they are equal, wait, if the length is the same, then we return this. Output. So if their lengths are the same, we just return whichever one, it doesn't matter. Wait. Wouldn't it be if their lengths are the same? Shucks. Alright, that doesn't work, I just realized. If one's longer, then the longer one's this one. If two's longer, two's the longer one, okay? Alright, think through this, boy. Then we need to do shorter too. We're gonna need a shorter one, yeah, that's right. And shorter. And then we're gonna do yeah. I'm gonna do, or would it be a W? W key. double enter or divide equals longer divided by shorter. I should round it though. Math dot floor, right? There should become an int. See what our problem's at. Password loss from double to int. Do I gotta typecast this to an int? Is that better? Is that fixing it? Oh, am I supposed to do this? I don't think it's gonna fix it. It's the same thing, right? GPT, I got a question. How to divide two numbers in Java that are double, to change them to int with math.floor. Math.floor. Wait, these are ints? Wait, these are ints though. Why would I need a... I don't need this if they're ints. No, I do need them if they're ints. But what if I divide? What if you... Wait. I was truncated. Fire. I need to do all this. Longer divided by shorter. Perfect. And that'll tell us this length divided by that length, we get 2. And then if the divided length equals or is not the same as the shorter length, we're going to do return string 2. Let's see. Variable longer might not have been initialized. This is not going through this and keeping it. Equals 0. I'll have to initialize these. I knew it. Alright, now we just gotta fix the next case. Now if they equal each other, can I multiply it? Is that right? Here we go. I don't know how many. I don't know. Oh, maybe it's that. No. Yes. String dot repeat. Whatever the string dot repeat. No. Wait. Is this it? No. Hold up. We're dividing these, and we get 1. Oh wait, that's why. So close, so far. What's the test case? Is this? So we divide the length of this. 2, 4, 6. 6 by 4, you get 1. So divide is 1 now. Divide should always work then. No. No. Divide should always work then. No. Because we do 3, 6. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Shucks, I thought I had the answer. I can't remember how I did it in my head. Think real quick. Divide these two. You get 2. You get 2. A, B, A, B, A, B. You get 1. Shoot. You got hints? I want to use one. I'm so close. If you divide these two, you get 1. Or no, if you divide these two, you get 2. Divide these, you get 1. It'll work here. Well, most of it's not shorter. We're gonna keep getting this. Wait, if divide is shorter. So we divide these and you get 2. And 2 equals. If you divide it, that's how many times it goes into it. Holy amount of times. Both of them now. Both. Let's just divide 1. if string 1 length that might work. I can't remember. No. If we divide these two by one another, the longer and the shorter, we get this goes in there twice. No, it doesn't. Let's go into circle once. Why is this one not twice though? Oh, this one only goes into here once. But if it went in here twice, then it would go in here twice. No, it only ever goes into itself once. Right? Oh, now I'm confused. A, B, C, but it only goes to the C ones. A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. Oh, it's only ever going to go into itself once. There's never going to be a time it goes into itself twice. Right? So that means we always return. How am I returning string 2 here? Return charter. Right? Oh wait, no, I'm silly. Return. What was I returning string 1 here? No, charter needs to be a string. Shucks, man. So we only need the charter string. I'm just gonna do this. String 1. Wait, charter string is string 2 here. String 1 here. And then we're gonna return S. Right? We're still getting A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. Alright, we're getting 2 ABs instead of just 1. What if I make it equals? And then I'm gonna get an error, you know. Let me think. If 1 is not equal to 2, we're gonna return empty. We're not getting that. String 1 is bigger, so string 1 is longer. String 2 is shorter. The shorter one is string 2. Skip this one. And divide equals longer or shorter. So we're going to do 6 divided by 4. We get 1. Now that we have 1, divide is now 1. If 1 is not equal to shorter, shorter is 4, so it's not. Return S. So right here, we're returning whatever S is. Whenever we're supposed to be returning S. Oh, Okay. We're supposed to be returning S and whatever. We're supposed to be returning however many characters repeat. I'm so stupid. I'm actually stupid. Return however many characters repeat. A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. Let me make sure my alarm's on for school tomorrow. People are blowing in the chat. I wake up in the morning, I got hungry on my mind. So this goes into it twice. Shoot, now I'm actually stuck. I got like half of it figured out. Goes into, so the shorter one goes into the bigger one. This many whole steps. There's a third that. Oh wait, if I do the longest one minus the shortest one, 2, 3. So if we do int sub equals longer minus shorter, then we should just print a comment this out real quick. And we should just return. Let's get rid of this return real quick. Return 3, the shorter one, plus. Let's make something really goofy. Shoot, that's so stupid. Do I make a loop? Damn it. Whatever. For int I equals 0, while I is less than the subtraction, we're going to do I plus plus, and then we're going to do string whole equals nothing, and then we're gonna do return. Nope. We're gonna do whole plus equals C. We're gonna do some car C equals car at, nope. We're gonna do the shorter one dot car at whatever I is. So it's 0, whatever 0 is, boom. 1, whatever 1 is, boom. And then we're just gonna return whole. And then we're gonna get 50 errors because I didn't do this right. Sure, that car at, bro, is that not how I do it? Shorter is wrong. S. That's why. Bad terminology, man. No way I did it! No fucking way I did it, Mason. Wait. No, it doesn't. Oh my god, it don't work for half of them. Wait. So if the first two are not the same, return this. Oh shucks. Maybe it's right. He's a meanie? What? I really thought I had it. I didn't get it. Can I see the other test cases? So this is supposed to be none. Oh, I gotta look through the whole thing. Let's do this up here real quick. While C. Alright, well, okay, we're gonna just do some car K equals nothing. While car K equals while K equals and J equals 0. The worst code I have ever written. Equals. Wait. While string 1 dot car at J equals string 2 dot car at J. But what if they're not the same length? Or what if I did a while loop? So they're equal at 0. I should do this down here, should I? While the first two are the same, while the first two characters are the same, we're going to do if bro, I don't know how to think. Can't think. Alright, we're at 0, 0. While the first two characters are the same, and the next two and the next two. How do I do this then? Oh. What if I made an array of how many is in it? Well, what if it's a billion? That's awful. Yeah, I have no clue. I think I'm gonna give up for now, because, yeah. Problem for another day. No. Coco chill. Alright, now that we're here, goodbye. Who built in Unity? What the hell? Left, right hand, line, back. Oh, there we go. It's way better. Let me think. Scalar multiplication, unit vectors, add vectors, magnitude, and then there's nothing really else to do. Vectors, row coordinate, multiply, linear combinations.
One term you're going to hear a lot of in these videos and in linear algebra in general is the idea of a linear
No.
combination.
What am I looking at?
Linear combination. And all a linear combination of vectors are, well, they're just a linear combination. let me show you what that means. So let's say I have a couple of vectors, v1, v2, and it goes all the way to vn. And they're all in, it can be in R2 or Rn. Let's say that they're all in Rn in some dimension of real space, I guess we could call it. But the idea is fairly simple. A linear combination of these vectors means you just add up the vectors. It's some combination of a sum of the vectors, say v1 plus v2 plus all the way to vn, but you scale them by arbitrary constants. So you scale them by c1, c2, all the way to cn, where everything from c1 to cn are all a member of the real numbers. That's all a linear combination is. And let me show you a concrete example of linear combinations. Let me make the vector, let me define the vector A to be equal to, and these are all bolded. These purple V's are all bolded. Those are vector, sometimes algorithms to keep bolded. So let's just say I define the vector A to be equal to 1, 2, and I define the vector B to be equal to 0, 3. What is a linear combination of these being? Well, it could be any constant times A times plus any constant times B. So it could be 0 times A plus, well, it could be 0 times A plus 0 times B, which of course would be what? That would be 0 times A would be 0, 0, and 0, 0. That'd be the 0 vector, but this is a completely valid linear combination. And we can denote the 0 vector by just a big bold 0 like that. We could also, I could do 3 times A. I'm just picking these numbers at random. 3 times A plus, we could do a negative